So to fix this problem, head straight to your phone menu and try to search for your Snapchat. So as you can see over here, tap on your Snapchat for some wow, then you tap over here to your app info. Tap on force stop, then tap on OK. Tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed. Go back and tap on storage and cache, then tap on the clear cache. Go back and also tap on notifications. Make sure the show notification is toggled on. When it's like this, then make sure you tap on it to turn it on. Go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is toggled on. After doing this, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu again and tap on Google Play Store. To tap on it to open it, and after that, what you have to do is to type in Snapchat. So after searching Snapchat, you're going to see it like this. Then tap on it to open it. Then after that, tap on update over here. So when you can find update or can see update over here, just tap on it and wait for some while to get the latest update of Snapchat. And after that, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while, and you're going to see reboot or restart to do restart your device or reboot your device. So tap on restart as you can see, then you tap on OK, and your phone is going to be restart, and this problem is going to be fixed. Subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching this video, and also thanks once again for clicking this video.